along the way, I also was mentoring
Yeah.
believers in the marketplace,
Mhm.
who wanted some help with making decisions that were aligned with God's plans for them,
Yeah.
to hear God's voice clearly, and to
Mhm.
provide them with some prophetic input as necessary.
Mhm.
And so, in that time, I bring to discover that many of them were hitting a ceiling.
Mhm.
And it was very obvious when I did some probing, along with some insight from the Holy Spirit,
Right.
that the reason that they were stuck beyond a certain point is because there was not the kind of unity and harmony in their marriage that needed to be for God to command his blessings on them.
Wow.
And so that kind of got my attention. And again, there's another whole backstory which we share in our book and stuff, so I won't go into it. But eventually, we came to a point where I had a number of SOS 911 calls from men
Wow.
who were high profile because of business or because of their church connections, who
Mhm.
said, "We cannot just go and ask anybody for help,
Okay.
and you guys, we don't have a good marriage that we can tell." And at that time, we'd also done something on one of the Canadian television stations that
Mhm.
gave us some profile on marriage. And
Mhm.
so please help us. So at that point, and we're not trained counselors, we're not therapists, we're not marriage coaches.
Mhm.
And so when we sought God as to what we need to do and
Yeah.
what we should call ourselves, we got this whole concept of marriage mentorship,
Wow.
that we should take somebody under our wing, especially those who are at the point of giving up on their marriage.